The creation of projects are a very useful way to organize and share specific documents with other users. The number of projects that can be created per account is based on their subscription level. By default, the free tier includes up to 3 projects. To access projects, click on the user icon and select Projects in the user menu. You'll notice in the Projects table that there is a default project already in place, labeled MyDoc. This is the project workspace that most users will load all their documents to. Although you can share this project with other users, it is recommended to create a new project if you plan on restricting access to only specific documents. To create a new project, click on the Add icon above the Projects table. Next, enter a name for your project. Optionally, you can add any comments here to help you distinguish the project. Click Save. The new project will now be shown in the Projects table. Project settings can be customized by clicking on the 3-dot icon for that project and selecting the Settings option. The Setting Config box enables you to select the language for documents. This means that if you want to extract text from documents written in Japanese characters, then you must select the Japanese option here. Currently, only one language can be selected per project. In addition to being able to customize the language selection, you can also create tags here for easier organization of documents. For example, if your project is targeted toward investor information, you can create tags for monthly, quarterly, and annual reports. Or for general office bookkeeping, you could create tags for accounts, payments, tax return, and employees. Once you've created these tags, when you search your documents, you can select the tag option for relevant documents to be categorized under one or more tags, which can make it easier to quickly filter and refine future searches. The last setting option is the time zone selection. This mostly will determine the timestamps seen in the Explorer and Projects tables, and also what times reports or alerts are delivered. When you are finished with customizing your project settings, click on the Save button. Once you've created and customized your project, you can begin adding members by clicking on the 3-dot icon and selecting the Member option. From here you can add members by first entering their username. Members must have an existing Essentia AI user account in order to be added to a project. If the member account has been verified and found, then you will be given the option to choose the access privilege of either Read and Write, or Read Only. Users can select which project workspace they want to work under by choosing from the Project Selection drop-down next to the user icon. Actions performed in one project, such as uploading or searching, do not affect other projects.